Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kira Jamtani and today's topic is banking. Now see what is banking. So banking is receiving, safeguarding and lending of money. It is what? It is basically banking is basically a business of receiving, safeguarding and lending of money. We can also say bank is an institution which carries business of taking deposits and lending money. Now when we are going to discuss about banking, so we have various types of accounts in banks. So the types of accounts are saving, current and recurring deposit account, and many more accounts we have, but in this topic which we are going to discuss is recurring deposit account. So what is recurring deposit account? Recurring deposit account is basically account in which depositor chooses a specified amount and deposits that amount every month for a fixed period. Now let's suppose depositor is choosing amount P and he is depositing every month that amount, and he has decided to pursue that amount, to deposit that amount for n month. This n is always calculated, taken in month. Now he will be getting interest at the end of his period. So this is called what? Interest. Then comes maturity value. Maturity value is interest plus whatever amount he has deposited. So he was depositing P amount every month. For how many months he deposited? N month. So maturity value will be interest plus Pn. Now the interest which we get in this recurring deposit account is calculated by formula P into n, n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. So this is how we calculate interest for this recurring deposit account, and then as we take out this interest we can find out the maturity value. Now we'll see certain questions related to this concept only. So now the question is, Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, find amount which she gets on maturity. So here we are provided with P, that is 200, N is 36 and R is what? 11%. Now we'll apply formula for interest. So interest is P, formula for interest is P into N, N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So we'll substitute all the values over here. 200 into 36 into 37 upon 2 into 12 is 24, R is 11, 11 upon 100. This 100 and this 100 will be cancelled out. Now 12 2s are and 12 3s are, 2 1s are and 2 1s are. So when we will multiply 3 into 37 into 11, we will get over here interest is equals to 1221. Now we have to calculate what? Maturity value. The maturity value is P into N plus interest. So P is 200 into N is 36 plus interest is 1221. So P into N, that means 200 into 36, it will be 7200 plus 1221, answer will be 8421. So this is how we can calculate maturity value and we can calculate interest also. Now we'll see next question. So now the question is maturity value of recurring deposit account. We are provided with maturity value in 4 years. If monthly deposit is rupees 200, we have to calculate rate of interest. So maturity value, that means MV MV is what over here? 11364. N is 4 years. So that 4 years will be converted into month. So N will be 12 into 4, that is 48. Monthly deposit is 200. Here we have to calculate R. So first of all, we'll find out interest over here. So interest will be what? Maturity value minus amount which we have deposited, that is P into N. So 11364 minus 48 into 200, thus it will be 11364 minus 9600, and it will be, when we'll minus it, 4, 6, 13 minus 6, 7, and 10 minus 9, 1. 1764 rupees is interest which we received. Now we know the formula for interest is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R by 100. Here interest is 1764 equal P is 200, N is 48 into 49 by 24 into R we have to calculate. So this and this will be cancelled out. 12 2s are 12 4s are 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. Thus here we will get 1764 upon 4 into 49. This is equals to R. So 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are. Now 49 into 9 is 441. Thus R will be what? 9%. So this is how we can calculate what? Rate of interest also. Now we'll see next question. So, Mr. R.K. Narayan gets 6455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of interest 14% in recurring deposit account. What we have to calculate? Monthly installment. So this is what? This is his maturity value, that is 6455, and N will be what? 12, because he has deposited it for 1 year. We have to find monthly installment. So we'll assume monthly installment to be X. Now rate of interest is 14%. So we'll apply maturity value formula only. So direct formula will apply over here. Interest plus principal into N. So interest का भी हम formula यहीं पर लिख देंगे, P N into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R by 100 plus P into N. Thus maturity value is 6455, and here P we have to calculate, so we'll assume it to be X. N is given to us 12 into 12 plus 1 13 upon 24. R is 14 by 100 plus X into 12. This is what? 12X. Now 12 ones are, 12 twos are, 2 1s are, and 2 7s are. So when we'll calculate it, 6455 equal 13 into 7, 91. 91 upon 100, it will be 0.91x plus 12x. Thus 6455 is equals to 12.91x. So x will be 6455 upon 12.91. So x is equals to what? 500. So in this question we have calculated what? Monthly installment. Now we'll see next question. So the question is, Ahmed has RD account in a bank. He deposits rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. If we get 66250 at the time of maturity, we have to find interest paid and rate of interest. Now here we are provided with, he has an RD account. He is depositing rupees 2500 per month. That is 2500 is principal amount for 2 years. We have to convert it into month. So 2 into 12 will be 24. If he gets 66,250 at the time of maturity, that means maturity value is 66,250. So interest will be maturity value minus P into N. So it will be 66,250. minus 2500 into 24. So when we'll solve it, here we'll get 66,250 minus 60,000, and here it will be 6,250. So this is what? Interest. Now we have to calculate what? Rate of interest. So interest का formula होता है P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R by 100. So P is 2500. 2500 into 24 into 25 upon 24. R we have to calculate, and interest is given to us. This 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out. 24 and 24 will be cancelled out. 6250 equal 25 into 25 is 625 into R. Thus R will be what? 10%. So this is how in this chapter we have seen how can we calculate the questions that are related to RD account, and we have also seen how can we calculate monthly deposit, what amount we are depositing in a month, maturity value, interest paid, and rate of interest. So this is how we have completed with this chapter, that is banking. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.